Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing power, open the breaker and switch off the fan circuit so there's no risk. Once done, set your ladder under the fan and lay out tools: a screwdriver, replacement bulb or LED module, and gloves for grip and insulation. You're not delaying with vague prep. Test the switch remains off and gently touch the canopy to confirm it's cool. Now climb carefully, keeping one hand on the ladder and the other ready to support the fixture when you loosen mounting screws. You remove the shade first. Hold it steady while loosening screws or releasing clips so it won't drop. Once the shade is clear, handle the bulb or integrated module, unscrew standard bulbs or disconnect a plug for LED modules, and observe the wiring orientation or keyed connector so you can reattach correctly. While you have access, inspect the socket and wire insulation for heat damage or corrosion. If anything looks compromised, stop and plan a replacement part. Proceed only when you're confident the new part matches the old one. You install the new bulb or plug the module in, matching the wiring orientation you noted earlier so polarity and grounding remain correct. Reseat the shade and tighten its screws or clips snugly, making sure no wires are pinched. Once everything is secure, descend and restore power at the breaker. Return to the fan and test the light switch. If the light flickers or won't turn on, cut power again and recheck connections. Try a known good bulb, and confirm the breaker and fan switch are functioning before declaring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.